Date with Nature, we try to explain to people the importance of keeping to the paths when they're on the forest so they don't disturb the ground nesting birds. We have models of ground nesting birds, and the children and visitors then can identify it on the chart. And we also have a touch screen, so they can touch the screen, find all about the bird and hear the calls of the bird. So if you want to know more about ground nesting birds, come down to A Date with Nature. We're open 7 days a week.